US-based hedge funds and equity funds face increasingly complex tax and compliance challenges. Structuring your fund properly is no longer optional. It's essential for attracting foreign investors, optimizing tax liabilities, and remaining compliant with both domestic and international regulations. In this post, we break down the key elements of tax planning for hedge and equity funds, focusing on master feeder structures, offshore strategies, and how professional CPA support can protect and grow your fund. Master feeder fund structures. One of the most common and effective structures is the master feeder fund model. Here's how it works. U.S. investors contribute to a U.S. feeder entity, usually an LP or LLC. Foreign investors contribute to an offshore feeder entity, typically in the Cayman Islands or BVI. Both feeders invest in a central master fund which manages the fund's portfolio. This structure simplifies management, allows for regulatory compliance in both jurisdictions, and helps keep U.S. taxable income separate from non-U.S. investors. Offshore strategies for fund efficiency. Offshore structures are not about hiding income. They're about legally reducing exposure and complying with international tax laws. Examples. Offshore feeder fund offers anonymity and favorable tax treatment for non-U.S. investors. Offshore fund manager entity allows U.S. managers to receive compensation outside the U.S. tax system if structured properly. Common jurisdictions, Cayman Islands, Bahamas, Bermuda. These strategies require proper setup, annual compliance, and knowledge of IRS rules like Subpart F and PFIC treatment. Tax planning considerations, key areas that funds need to watch. Carried interest rules may recharacterize long-term capital gains as ordinary income. Limitations on losses, deductions for business losses are limited under IRC Paragraph 461L. Controlled Foreign Corporation, CFC, implications. U.S. owners of offshore entities must comply with GILTI and Subpart F rules. These risks can be managed with proper documentation, structure planning, and proactive oversight. Our subscription plans for funds. FAS CPA and Consultants offers tiered support plans tailored to hedge and equity fund needs. Platinum Plan, full fund setup, ongoing tax filing, CFC and FATCA compliance, and investor reporting. Gold Plan, fund accounting, U.S. and offshore filings, and monthly strategy reviews. Silver Plan, core tax filing and support for U.S. funds operating domestically. Each plan is designed to offer scalable service based on fund size, complexity, and investor base. Don't risk non-compliance or excessive taxation on your investment fund.